guys, welcome to my channel. My name is D Ganesh. I am studying BTech second year. So today I am here to share about the generative AI. Firstly, what is the AI? So AI stands for artificial intelligence. So the artificial intelligence is defined as the programming machines to perform intelligently. So that is the definition of the artificial intelligence. Now we will discuss about the generative AI. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence. With this we can create new and original content. For example, images, text, music, etc. It has a wide range of applications in human technology. So for example, if so now I will explain some examples. So if we show some cats to the artificial intelligence, so it will learn from them and it can show a very clean and updated cat from that images. So like this the artificial intelligence can perform. Another example is by writing. So if we give a lot of books and stories to the generative AI, so it can learn new things and new stories from them, and it can create new stories or new articles from them. So now I will explain some AI generative tools. So the first one is ChatGPT. So we are all familiar with the ChatGPT. So nowadays we are mostly using the ChatGPT for various purposes. So the ChatGPT is a online AI powered chatbot. So it helps from answering questions to solving problems. So it is designed to make our communication easy and convenient. So it can be accessed by any device with an internet connection, and it is available 24/7. So with this we can use this ChatGPT. It is an AI generative tool. So the next tool is AI image enlarger. So with this AI image enlarger, so the resolution of our images can be enlarged with an AI technology. So like this, the AI image enlarger tool is also used by it is provided from the generative AI. So next, another one third tool is the copy.ai. So the copy.ai is an advanced AI. So with this we can generate social media posts, product description, landing pages, and various number of websites. So with this copy.ai we are providing various number of experiments. So like this the generative AI is helping us in our day-to-day life. So I hope you understand about the generative AI. So thanks for watching my video.